Welcome everybody, welcome back to another episode of Shave and Talk. I know it's been a while since I make a video for this series, but I promise I will do better. I think the last video was like 3 months ago, and it was when I closed the Etsy store. And I think I had hair. This video, I wanted to do it for a while. It's been in my in my to-do list. And it's talking about brushes, and not only brushes themselves physically, but how do we lather? And I seen it. It's not very controversial, but a lot of people had different likes and different tastes. And so, do you face lather? Do you bowl lather? And if you don't know what these are, stay tuned. So we're gonna talk about. So we are gonna be shaving, and I'm gonna be using my Ralph Oast. I recently put a new edge on it, and I'm gonna be shaving with this limited edition. I don't even know if you can still get this soap champagne. I don't think you can. It was by Crown King, now Phoenix PA, what everybody calls PA, makes soaps. I don't know if they make this soap. Let me know if you guys know if they make this scent. But that's what we're gonna be using, champagne, and it's really nice. I really enjoy this soap. So let's go real quick, get some moisturization, and let's get shaving. So if you don't know what face lathering is, I'm about to do it. Most of you probably watch my videos and do wet shaving, but if you haven't, wet shaving, face lathering is taking your brush, taking your puck, lathering on the puck itself a little bit, call it loading it up, and then going to the face and lathering on the face. Right now we're using a black badger brush, and I tell you guys, I face lather about 95% of the time. Mostly just because I like it more, and I just like it more in the face. I'll tell you why in a second. But I say 95% of the time because I do own bowls and mugs where I lather sometimes, such as this one. Right now I was using it to soak the brush. So let's get started and let's get talking. See this edge? Not too bad. So lathering, for me, when I first started years and years ago, wet shaving was a big deal. I wanted to get it right. I asked a bunch of questions to a bunch of people. I saw people showing pictures of their lather, of their brush. I've done it many times, right? Or their bowl. And to add to my obsession of owning a bunch of razors and brushes and soaps and aftershaves and stones, I was obsessed of getting the perfect lather. So I tried a bunch of things. I will put my bowls like on a candle warmer so I can keep the lather warm. I will use like super hot water. I had the bowls that, you know, have water under. There's like a separate compartment underneath the bowl to keep the water in there, and it keeps your lather nice and warm. Like I said, I wanted to get my lather really, really good. And then I learned that you can just load the soap on your brush and lather your face. And since then, that's how I've been doing it. I tell you why. I like my brushes depending on my growth. It depends the brush that I use. All right. So depending on the soap, on my growth, my face, is the soap that I use, the brush that I use. So sometimes I want a more prickly, softer or whatnot. But on the soap itself, let's rinse this off. Let's get another lather. Let's keep talking. But when I lather, I like to spend time on the face lathering. So I soak my brush and I load it, and then I create the lather in the face, and it allows me to spend time, I guess, massaging my face, I guess, or whatever, but it allows me to create the perfect lather for me on my face. Because the problem I was having is I will see this beautiful lather, but then I will transfer it, and my face will be moist, and it will be extra moisture to the already perfect lather. But now, like let's say it's a little too dry, I can just dip my brush a little bit, get it more wet, or whatever, I can adjust. And that's part of what I like about lathering, is using the brush. And now I'm not saying that I don't do it on the bowl. I do it when I have a little sample, or I'm using a cream. I just pour a little cream in the bowl, and then I just create the lather. I use it, but not as much as I do face lather. Tell me how you lather. You lather straight in your face like I just did. Use a bowl, use a mug. Have you done things like the things that I done where you heated up the water and you keep the mug nice and warm? Or you don't care? me, it gives me the opportunity to experience that one particular brush, especially if I have a longer, if I haven't shaved it like in a week, I want something prickly. I want to massage my face. I want to make sure those my hairs pop up, you know. So I'm lathering. It's part of my experience, I guess. All right, let's rinse this off. Final thoughts on the subject. Always dry your razor when you're sitting out. Rinse this off. So yeah, tell me in the comments below, how do you do it? What is your preferred method and why? Why do you prefer the method that you use? I already told you the reasoning for mine. I just feel like if I do it in a bowl, oh by the way, I'm using the matching aftershave. If I do it in a bowl, I have a beautiful lather here, and then I'm just applying it, like, but that's how I do it when I do my hair. I don't know why. So like when I'm shaving my head, I do it on a bowl. I guess I need a lot, so I just do it in a bowl and I just apply and shave and apply and shave. So my face, 95% of the time, I do it on the face, like that. My head, I always use the bowl or a mug. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to keep it short, quick shave. Tell me what you think. Click that subscribe button, click the like button. Check out all my playlists. I have several hundred videos on how to shave, on how to hone razors. My channel has expanded, and there's some on cars. Oh, shirt with my car picture on it. I have motorcycles in there. Just get into this playlist, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll catch with you guys later. Thank you for watching.